Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the ballistic particle manufacturing. It is one of the technology of solid freeform manufacturing which comes under the 3D printing or rapid prototyping. So let's get into this video. It includes a surface which is used to build the model that is derived from a CAD model. This system uses a nozzle that uses a jetting machine mechanism, that is a piezo-electric jetting mechanism similar to an inkjet printer. A multi-axis controlled NC system shoots the tiny droplets of the material onto the target using this jetting mechanism so that small droplets freeze on the surface to build up, and finally the complete model or a prototype is obtained. Imagine if you want a solid cube. This head uses the piezoelectric jetting mechanism to eject the droplets into the surface so that it freezes or solidifies. Then the process continues till the solid cube has been built up. This method has its own advantage because any kind of material can be built up using this method without any difficulty, because it uses a perfect or accurate jetting mechanism for building up of a CAD model. And other also, it can use any thermoplastic and it is not toxic to human, and offers the possibility of using other material also other than the plastic. So this is a short video friends about the ballistic particle manufacturing. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.